This is how we spent our first time at Circa Las Vegas. And honestly guys, this is our first time here at the Fremont Street Experience. We've never stayed here before, huh? Mm-mm. We just get like so caught up about staying at the Strip. We've never came here. And honestly, just coming from the Strip over here, I kind of like that whole area because I feel like they're renovating it and it looks like it has so much potential, huh?
Mm-hmm. Everything looks different. Even the roads are different.
Yes.
Before when you would drive through here, it was like pure potholes.
Yeah, it was very bad.
Now it was like super clean.
It's like
street.
remodeled. Yeah, like it feels very different. It feels like I know in a few years, all that whole street's gonna look crazy. Maybe filled with hotels and entertainment.
And a lot more people were out over here
yes.
than usual. Before you would not see nobody out.
Exactly.
But there was a lot of people walking around.
Yeah, like walking around, taking pictures with
the chapels.
the chapels.
Yeah.
You know, because obviously a lot of movies or TV shows or celebrities have, you know, gone there. But anyways, guys, finishing off the room, you have your TV right here in the back, and you have it's a nice little chair.
Armchair.
Yeah, chair, and you have your desk, obviously, with your refrigerator. I think that's pretty good and a must. But maybe right now we're about to go downstairs and check out the rest of this casino and this resort because it's huge. And also, obviously, we want to go downstairs to the Fremont Street Experience and see that because we've never been there. So let's get this day started, guys. Alright guys, we just got finished getting ready and we are on our way to the Legacy Club. Let's go check that out, see how that is. So we're going up guys, all the way to the 60th floor.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm on a roller coaster.
But that's where we were at last time when we were at the Croxford. We were at the 60th floor, remember?
We're going 60 floors up, right here.
Oh
like we're standing on nothing.
back there.
Tastes is fresh.
Look at this nice ice cube. See it?
Sphere.
It's like a sphere. Oh, it's spicy. What the hell? How is so much flavor coming from this drink? It's like super clear, guys, but it has so much flavor. I do tastes like vanilla, but spicy, coconutty, like how the drink is described. This drink, they ask you, since it is spicy, they ask you the spice level from 1 to 5. I chose a 1 because I'm not good at the spicy stuff. It's still very spicy though. And they also have this pastry. I'll probably try it towards the end once I'm done though. Let's see the spice level. Go and taste it.
It smells spicy already.
Let's see. Just taste it. It's spicy?
It tastes good though.
That's what I'm telling
but
you.
not I don't like mezcal. Ooh, it tastes nice.
It has Casamigos.
Yeah, tequila's hard for me.
That's
It tastes good.
That's what it tastes.
It has so much flavor.
That's what it tastes. Check out this out, guys. Very nice. It's very nice up here. Nice up here, huh? It's pretty windy though, but really nice. Damn, guys, we high as a mother up here. Look at this. We're gonna go downstairs and check it out at nighttime though. Well, we're pretty high right now. Nice. Very nice, right, babe?
Yeah, super cute.
Super cute. Where we were at sitting, it was very nice.
You could have like intimate little date,
Yes.
a drink.
There is like booth areas. There's also like a bunch of different sections. The bar area is very nice.
I think it's more for like a date instead of a group.
Yeah.
But there was groups there.
Yeah, there's group. That's why like couple dates. For, if you want to take a girl on a date, I think this is the place to go for sure, huh?
Yes.
You'll for sure make an impression with this one over here. And this was our time at Legacy Club, guys. Let's go upstairs. All right, y'all. And now we're back out. We just came. She got dressed. Comfy vibes, just to go outside to the Fremont and check it out at nighttime. Because like I said, we have never been here before. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out and experience that with you guys for the first time. So let's go. Alright, first things first, guys. Last night at the Fremont Experience was pretty crazy. It was pretty wild. Honestly, I really liked it.
I was pretty surprised that it was that packed on a Monday night.
Yeah, so Fremont Experience, I definitely recommend you guys try it out at least once. And now as far as our stay here at the Circa, honestly, I did enjoy my stay here. The room was amazing. I feel like I don't have anything bad to say about the room. The bed was comfortable. I just took a shower right now and the shower was amazing.
I liked the bed. It was very comfortable. And even though Fremont is like right there, I would have thought it would have been pretty loud and you could hear. But it was pretty quiet. Oh, because when the pool is open, there you could kind of hear music, like not loud, but you could kind of hear it coming through.
Just like
a
bass.
little bass.
Yeah, just a bass.
So I thought that was going to be all night.
Yeah.
But...
Well, the pool is open from 9 to 9. So, I mean, you'll be able to sleep after that.
Yeah, once the pool is closed, you can't hear nothing.
Yeah, exactly. The one thing we didn't check out was Stadium Swim. So, if you're not a guest... yeah,
but we can see it from here.
Yeah, we can see it from here, so we'll show you guys right now.
It's pretty cold still. It's not like pool season. Even we've just been seeing people like...
On the jacuzzi.
In the jacuzzi, like 1, 2 people. And then the lifeguards are wearing like a blanket.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's one of the reasons, and we were just doing other stuff.
I don't want to get sick.
Yeah, and that's another thing. This is a 21 and over resort, so there's no kids.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
There was a lot of bars. There was around, like, I think I saw like 3 different bars. There was a Circa bar outside, which we actually got a frozen drink from there, which was good. It was around like $24.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Yeah, it was like $24, pretty good. The Legacy Club, that is something for sure. If you're staying here, you got to do that. Even if you're not staying here.
That's their theme around here, huh? Like, games, Legacy.
Yeah.
We went to the Legacy Burger, too.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so I guess it is around,
yeah, like Stadium Swim. That's their kind of theme around games.
Around, I guess, like...
It seems like a cool place to come to Super Bowl or something like that.
Because it is like around games or kind of like you leaving your legacy, because they have quotes around here, you know, like I saw one out front in the main area where you go to Fremont. I'll put it here, and it's more about that, like, you know, leaving your legacy, and obviously, you know, ties in with sports.
One thing I think they should have, I don't know, like, even though if you're a guest, you still get ID'd every time you came in and out.
Yeah.
That was like the...
It is kind of weird because you can't be a guest here unless you're 21.
But even though you leave, you have to still show it.
Yeah.
It would be kind of good if like you show a key card.
Or if they give you like a wristband or something. But I guess, yeah, I mean, I guess it's more safer for them, I guess.
Or like you could just scan your key. I don't know, but what if you bring somebody with you?
Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, so I guess, you know. But that's fine. I mean, that's why I felt the crowd here was very lively. You know, there was all types of ages. Well, obviously over 21, but I mean, you know, there was all types of people here. And the crowd was amazing. I thought it was nice. You know, I thought it was lively. If you do have any questions about the Circa or any other hotel, guys, please don't hesitate. Comment down below and I'll try to reach out with the best of my knowledge and best of my abilities. We are going to be hitting you guys with some more content. So if you did like this one, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button. And we'll see you guys in the next time. Peace.